How to create Metamask wallet on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Play Store or App Store on your mobile device, then search for Metamask. After that, open up this one, and here you need to download it and install it on your device. After you install it, just simply click on open in order to create a wallet on it, and this is where it will take you. Now you need to click on this option of get started. Here you can either create a new wallet or you can import using a secret recovery phrase of yours in order to import your already existing account. So let's create a new account for now. So click on this option of create a new wallet. Now it will ask you some more details that you need to agree upon, and after that you can click on this option of I agree. Then you need to agree on the terms to use it and click on this option of accept. After that, you need to provide your new password and confirm that particular password. You can also use your fingerprints of your mobile device if you want to. And then click on this option of I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this particular password. Then click on create password. Then in the second step, it will give you a recovery phrase that you need to note down on a piece of paper, because it is quite safe to write it down on a piece of paper. If it is lost, then you won't be able to recover your account ever. So after you write that particular recovery phrase, in the third step, it will ask you to confirm whether you have actually written that particular phrase or not, or saved that recovery phrase or not. It will ask you some questions related to that particular recovery phrase. Then you can confirm it and create your wallet quite easily. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.